Hi everyone. Today's topic is data science in agriculture, growing smarter, feeding the world. So in today's lesson, you will learn to understand how data science helps farmers grow crops more efficiently and sustainably, identify specific tools and techniques such as sensors and satellite imaging used to collect agricultural data. Explain how analyzing agricultural data leads to better decision making, such as when to plant, water, or even harvest your crops. So, did you know that farmers today are using computers and drones to grow food? How do they do it? So, the answer is data science. It helps farmers grow more food while using fewer resources like water and fertilizers. So, we're looking at the collecting data. So, how do farmers collect their data? So, here are some examples of smart tools that farmers use to collect data. The first one is sensors, and they use sensors to measure soil moisture to tell farmers when to water crops. They use drones to take aerial photos to spot unhealthy crops from early stages. And they use satellites to monitor weather and soil conditions from space. Analyzing data, turning information into insights. So, how does it work? So, farmers use software to analyze data from sensors, drones, and satellites, and these will tell them when and where to add water, fertilizers, or pesticides. For example, a farmer might learn from satellite data that part of their field isn't getting enough sunlight. They might then decide to plant a different crop there. By analyzing data in this way, farmers can grow healthier crops and avoid wasting resources. So, now let's take a look at some real world applications. We have precision farming. So, farmers in large fields like those in the United States or Canada use GPS to manage vast areas more efficiently. Tractors equipped with GPS systems plant seeds with incredible accuracy, ensuring crops are placed perfectly for optimal growth. This reduces wasted seeds and ensures each plant gets the best chance at growth. Some more real world applications would be weather predictions. So, one important use of data science in agriculture is in weather forecasting and crop planning. To do this, existing weather data is used to predict rainfall, temperature, and frost. So, this helps farmers decide the best times to plant and harvest crops. This also helps farmers reduce crop loss from floods or droughts, and thus this will protect their income and food supply. So, just a great fun fact, some farmers have sensors that automatically adjust irrigation based on weather predictions. And we see some examples here where they can even control this data from an app. Another real life application would be soil health monitoring. Some farmers use sensors in the soil to collect data on moisture levels, nutrients, and pH to determine whether the soil is healthy for planting. So, analyzing this data allows farmers to add the right amount of water and fertilizer at the right time so that their crops grow strong and healthy. So, this also helps to avoid over fertilization, which can harm the environment. So, now let's look at the use of drones and crop health. So drones collect data from above like plant color and growth patterns to monitor plant health. So by using drones, farmers can spot problems like pests or diseases early and take action to save their crops. Early detection means quicker solutions for these issues. Drones can cover large fields quickly, helping farmers with big farms keep an eye on everything. This helps to prevent crop loss while reducing the need for harmful chemicals and pesticides. So let's review what we've discussed so far. So our first, true or false? Drones help farmers by planting seeds in the soil. And that is false. So, drones take aerial photos to spot unhealthy crops early. These don't actually plant the seeds for us. Maybe in future. Our next true or false. Farmers use sensors to measure soil moisture and determine when to water their crops. And that is true. So sensors help farmers to decide or determine the best time to water crops, preventing overuse of water. Our last true or false. Data science in agriculture is only used to track weather patterns. And that is false. Data science helps with many things like soil health monitoring, precision farming, and even tracking the crop's health. So let's discuss what we learned today. So farmers around the world use data science tools like sensors, drones, and satellites to grow crops more efficiently. So analyzing this data helps them make smarter decisions, optimize their harvests, and protect the environment. Data science helps to make farming smarter and more sustainable. It's helping to feed the world. So here's our call to action. Think about the ways in which technology like this could be used in your garden or to solve a big challenge. And we also have some further resources at these links. And that wraps up our presentation. Thank you guys for joining.